talk about.
Look! Feeling good for you.
Let's talk about Delta users. I know I'm a Delta user. You can shut up. Oh, what the hell? Oh, wait. Oh! So let's... No, it's not those one. The other ones. You know the girls? I'm a girl. And I'm not one of them. Especially those Brookhaven girls that use them
Shut up.
for Landy and dating. And if they ask their age, they will,
Bato, piko. Bato, pik. Sige.
and they would say, like, I need you. And they would be probably like 9 or 5 years old, like literally. Oh my god.
Like it.
Ikapin, nagbumba yakapin eh. Secret pin-expose.
Oh, that's not a secret, bro.
And they will, and
Bro, it's
when
my turn.
they got
It's
banned,
my turn.
when they got banned,
Bato, pik. Bato, pik. Bato, pik. Ah, why? I keep losing.
and
Kaya
when,
ko pa, sabihin mo ko pa. Hindi ko pa makabidyo. Yak pa na. Kitty. White chocolate. Luwakin. White chocolate. Kita. Kitty. Bobo! Yak pa. Hello. Nanak sa bang po?
so,
Wait, yak pa. So ngayon, English only lang sasabihin natin.
okay. Guys,
English only.
guys, tomorrow,
Tagalog, wag ka pang
I'm gonna post this to YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Watch my vid. Oh my god.
Watch my vid.
What the hell?
This is another
No kidding.
video, but I don't
Where are
post it. Post me talaga. Are you gonna post that? Really?
What?
Well, don't say Tagalog. I told you.
That's not Tagalog, girly.
That's Kapampangan, right?
Bombastic ka lang ng bangkin.
Bro, I'm here. I'm on the top. Like, you're that here. I can. No, don't cheat.
I'm not.
You're talking about the Delta users.
Yes.
And yet you're an 8, okay?
Yes.
Eight.
But
You're-
I don't use it for landi.
You don't know that English, right? It's flirty. Bro!
I don't use
Why
it
did I?
for flirting and boyfriend.
I don't like it.
That is very, very disgusting.
Maybe ako can. Maybe I got resetted.
Bombastic.
Wait for me. Wait for me. I'm not gonna save you.
Diba tikat belt?
No, I don't have.
Yeah.
Because I got
Because you are
banned.
ugly.
Bro, you are fat.
No, I'm not.
Yes, I am ugly. But you are fat.
And you are a big fat bone.
No, I'm not. Oh,
Ang panyo ko.
I
Tinito
don't
ng
know.
mama mo, yung gano'n, no?
ay! Ano?
Yung ganyang panyo. Nasaan?
Hindi ko alam. Ano bang kulay sa'yo?
Kulay blue.
Oh, hindi ko man alam. Wait, baka nasa akin yun. Meron akong
Nandun kay Ate Shin.
Natuklip ni Tita nun. Matagal na yun nasa akin. Ginagamit ko pa yung
Mag-leave
pangalan.
ko Ate Shin. Aha, I reached the top.
Yeah, because I did it.
No, I didn't like
Ay,
girl.
talaga. Disappearing guy.
Tower.
No.
Disappearing tower.
Yeah.
Speed tower yung
Ay, disappearing nga naman ni. Oh, well, uy. Don't. Oh my God.
Oh, we're in mid. Don't say it.
No. I don't say it because Noni si Johan. Who is Johan?
I don't know. Umabot sa paligat naman.
Tagalog.
You're in position line.
Then go to position 2.
Awa mo na, wala akong singahan.
Wait, alay ka.
Madlig ka.
Kunin mo na lang yun, oh. Diretso ko na lang yan.
Bala ka. Mag-join na ako mo sarili ko server.
Ate ka server?
Ali.
Uy!
Makyada ko ka ng server. Ay! English only.
Bro, just very good.
Tatawag ka.
Why?
Uso pa mo.
Now I get a payback. Oh,
Hindi mo lang shampoo.
Oo. Ano, oh.
sabi ko pong dyan. Yapa! Yipping! Yipping!
It's so easy but I keep falling.
I don't know.
Handsome.
Huh? It's...
Oh my God! Bro!
What tower is that?
Nakita mo yellow na din.
What is that?
Slot tower but I don't know why.
But admin.
No. Oh my God.
Guys, she left me. She doesn't love me anymore,
I
guys.
don't love you.
Thank you.
That's the best compliment. Ew! Don't kiss me. Your breath is so stink. Oh my God! I feel. I join mo kasi yun. I take my phone.
Slap apartment tower. Now, payback, sugar. What?
I think nakapag... What if mag-live ko pa?
Okay,
I think kaya mag-live ka?
I don't know.
Walang din eh.
I don't know. Ay, pa-join mo ko live.
Wait,
Bye, guys.